Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited as I'm going to do full face of makeup with my favorite YouTubers recommendation. So I hope you two will have fun watching this video, and if you are new here then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So yeah, let's get started. So now is the time where we're gonna try full face of makeup using my favorite YouTubers recommendation. So the very first thing in the list is primer. So the very first item is this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Now this primer is actually recommended by that quirky miss who is like Aditi Shrestha. It says it tone, smoothen and perfect. I mean, I have been following that quirky miss from so long and she is such a diva. I mean, I take her recommendation seriously because I know that she is so loyal to her subscriber and I never miss her video. Her videos are so addictive. I mean, I can't even skip a second when she is talking. So I have really high hope from this. Also, our skin tones and our skin like texture and our skin type matches so much. So I have really high hope from this. So let's see how it's gonna work on my skin. I am already in love with this primer. I mean, I can already feel my skin is so smooth, and I don't know it's in my brain or what, but I can see like my pores are already blurred and it has given my skin such a smooth finish, and it is also like a hydrating kind of thing. So yeah, I really love it and it is such a great primer. Also, it is for like 549 rupees, and I think it totally worth the price because the primer I used to use before was from Color Bar and it was like for around 800 rupees, and I think it works the same. I mean, even better than that. So definitely give it a try if you are looking for a primer. After primer, we're gonna do our foundation, and for foundation today I have with me this Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Now if you follow that quirky miss, then you already know this is also recommended by her. I mean, I'm her fan, guys. So yeah, I have more products recommended by her because I just love her and I take her recommendation seriously, and I have seen her using this product so many times and rave about this product, so I have to get this. And this is for rupees like 750, but nowadays I have seen everywhere this for like 500 rupees. So yeah, I'm gonna use this for the very first time actually, and I have already checked the shade, but it is not my shade and I was totally hopeless. But I had an idea then. I had actually got another foundation, which is this Wet and Wild Photo Focus foundation, which was also recommended by her, and when I got this was like one shade darker than my skin tone. So I thought, why not mix this both of the quirky recommendations and see how it's gonna do on my skin. I mean, I can already see that this is definitely not my shade. I mean, even after mixing, I can already see the coverage of this foundation. Look at this part. I have such great hyperpigmentation over here and I couldn't see a thing over here right now, which I used to see before, and using other foundations, it has covered like everything so well. It is like non-cakey and non-drying and it just sits on your skin so well. I don't feel like I have applied anything on my face. It's so light and so good coverage. I totally fell in love with this foundation. And the next product on my list is concealer. Now this is LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. Now this is recommended by my favorite Malvika Sitlani. Now if I have to have one name in the makeup list guru, then Malvika Sitlani is so divine. She's so gorgeous and I totally love her accent and her persona. charisma and everything, and I think she is really doing great nowadays. And recently I've watched her like LGBTQ video. I think everyone needs to watch that video, and I feel like more influencer and creator need to do such videos because it is like need of the hour and everyone should know about it. So yeah, coming back to this video, I have this concealer with me and I have seen her this recommending so many times and using this so many times. And to be honest, my first concealer was from LA Pro Girl concealer, but I ordered the fucking wrong shade. So yeah, I hope that this is like correct shade today. So yeah, we are done with the concealer and I fell in love with this concealer. I mean, I got it right this time, and this shade is like perfect for highlighting, and you can see like the brightening effect on my face where I have applied concealer, and I have also applied it on my lid, so the eyeshadows gonna like pop up and look really good. So yeah, this is so far my concealer looks like, and it has like covered all of my dark circles and pigmentation. Everything has been like covered so well, so I am totally loving it so far. So now I'm gonna quickly fix it with my powder. Now before you skip this video because of this scary face, I have to move on to the next product, and next product on our list is a blush. So yeah, for that I have today this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Now this is recommended by Anandita Chakravarti. Now if you love makeup, you must know Anandita Chakravarti. She creates like really great makeup looks and her recommendations are bomb. I have seen her like every single videos, and nowadays she's like doing vlogs and all, which is like so cute, and you know, she's really beautiful. Both Anandita and That Quirky Miss are like best friends, and I have seen using this product so many times, so I have to have get this. And I mean, this blush just sits on your face so well. It's not like chalky, it's not glittery, it's just a matte blush and has really great finish. So yeah, I love this. Now I will let my base makeup sit for a while, and that time I'm gonna do my eye makeup. And for eye makeup, I'm really excited to show you my product, and I have actually shown you several times, and yeah, one more time I'm gonna show you my favorite product, that is this one. Now this is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and this is recommended by my favorite beauty guru Shreya Jain. I mean, she is beauty guru, she is diva. If you ever think of someone like beauty guru from India, then there will be a list, then Shreya Jain will be there for sure. She is like amazing. Now if I have to get something and instantly, I will just search the product name and Shreya Jain and the video will pop up, and I'll just get to know that whether I should buy that product and not. So Shreya Jain is like that for me. So when she came up with a video 10 different looks using this single palette, then I was like, oh my god, I invested in such a great item, and I love this eyeshadow palette. I take this shade over here and dust off the excess and use it like just above the crease line. Now once I'm done with the shade, I'm gonna take this brick shade over here and put it all over my lid. After that, I'm gonna blend both the colors so there are like no harsh edges. Now after that, I'm gonna take this shimmery shade and pop it at the center of my lids. My lower lash line. I mean, lower lash line are so important, never miss on that. Now, as I told you, this eyeshadow palette is so versatile and so good. We can use this shade as a bronzer. So I haven't used bronzer before. So what I'm going to do is dip this brush right into the shade, tap off the excess and bronze. So our eyes are done and base is set. We're gonna move on to the next product, and my next product on the list is a highlighter, and today I'm gonna use this highlighter. Now this is K Beauty highlighter. Now this is the first product that I'm using from K Beauty. For this is in the shade Sunlit Gold. By the way, this highlighter is recommended by Mridul Sharma. Now Mridul Sharma is another YouTuber who is like so close to my heart. Her videos are so aesthetic and whatever she does is so perfect, and her background, her video quality, everything looks so good, and she puts like so much effort in every single video of her, and I have seen her using this and raving about this product so much. So I thought, why shouldn't I get this, and let's see how it's gonna work. It has this huge pan of highlighter. I mean, it looks really promising and I am really excited to try this out. Oh my god, it's so good. I feel like it is so amazing. I mean, you can see the glow. I really love it. Like, and it looks so natural. It is not like blingy and glittery. It has this soft touch, and I really like these kind of highlighter which look so natural and so glowy at the same time. Look at this side and this side. You definitely can see a lot of glow over this side. Bridge of my nose. Can you see that? Oh my god. I mean, I would highly recommend this. If you're looking for a highlighter, then just go for it. You don't have to buy more than one because it's just gonna do all the jobs for your glam look, for your soft look, for your natural look, for your everyday look. So yeah, some on my forehead. Oh my god, I look like glowy diva. My collarbones. Can you see that? Ooh. So yeah, definitely love this highlighter, and I think I'm gonna try more products from K Beauty. And I mean, look at me, I'm just glowing. I mean, look at my collarbones and my face. It's like so glowy, and the glow is looking like it's coming from within. It doesn't look, you know, blingy or glittery. It just looks so natural. And if you're wearing these kind of clothes, you just need to highlight your collarbones and shoulders. I mean, this looks so great. I mean, I just want to go outside right now, and it's 12:30 in midnight, and Delhi is having night curfew. Okay. So here comes the next product, that are lipsticks. I feel like everyone like lipstick, whether they wear foundation, highlighter, blush or not, but they just coat some lipstick and go outside. And lipstick are my favorite too because it just changes your whole look. You just throw a red lipstick and you just look diva. So yeah, for today I have with me two combos, and this is Maybelline Intense Crayon and the other one is Maybelline New Nuance. Now these have been my favorite lipsticks. These lipsticks are recommended by Roshni Bhatia. If you follow her on Instagram, it is The Chic Factor. I love her. She is such a diva. I mean, look at her. She's a mother. I was totally shocked when I first get to know her that she has a child. And yeah, I love her totally. I just love her personality and her aura and her recommendation, because I have been using this lipstick from a while and I totally love this. So I'm gonna mix both of this lipstick and wear it. So I feel like it will go with my dress because I'm wearing this velvet red sexy dress, and with that this dark chocolate and nude, just gonna be the perfect combo. is the last product on my list, which is none other than a makeup fixer. Now this is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray Set. So yeah, it sets the makeup on its right place, and it is like fine mist, and it is not like pre-makeup spray. It is used after makeup, like post makeup spray, and it is recommended by none other than my favorite Shreya Jain in one of her like top 10 makeup fixer video. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly take a shower like Shreya takes and get back to you. Oh my god, like this is so refreshing. I just felt like a shower literally. Fine, it is not like bad smelling spray. I have used one before and it was like horrible, like no fragrance at all, and I can see like the difference when I sprayed this on. It just sets my face like so well, and everything looks like so merged together, and yeah, I really love this look. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Now I really hope that you enjoy watching this video. Now अभी बज रहे हैं 1. तुमने तो ये वीडियो देख ली, बट मुझे सारा कुछ क्लियर करना पड़ेगा एंड मुझे इसको भी क्लीन करना पड़ेगा. मैं सोच रही हूँ उससे पहले ना मैं थोड़े बहुत रील्स बना लूँ. सो या फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम फॉर डेली अपडेट्स, एंड या मेरे अगर एफर्ट्स पसंद आए हो तो इस वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक दे के जाना, एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर देना, एंड इस वीडियो को अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना. एंड या आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, गुड बाय.